Strategic leap, hypersonic bomber development set to reshape air superiority post-NGAD. Date, February 14, 2025. Location, United States. Overview. The landscape of global military power is evolving rapidly, particularly in the domain of air superiority. With the U.S. Air Force's development of hypersonic bombers, notably the B-21 Raider, a significant shift in air combat capability is anticipated. This strategic leap comes in the wake of the Next Generation Air Dominance (NGAD) program and is primarily driven by the need to counteract the growing military capabilities of China, which has made substantial advancements in its stealth aircraft and other key military technologies. 1. The B-21 Raider. The B-21 Raider, developed by Northrop Grumman, is set to be the cornerstone of the U.S. Air Force's long-range strike capabilities. An initial order of 100 aircraft is planned. Intended to replace the older B-1 Lancer and B-2 Spirit bombers. The B-21 is engineered with advanced stealth technology, ensuring it can evade detection by sophisticated enemy air defense systems such as China's HQ-9 and Russia's S-400. Its dual-capable nature allows it to deliver both nuclear and conventional munitions, which is crucial for maintaining credible deterrence in the face of evolving threats. 2. Rising challenges from China. In December 2024, China unveiled its next-generation stealth aircraft, including the J-36 fighter and H-20 strategic bomber. These developments represent a significant enhancement in China's air capabilities, directly challenging U.S. air dominance. The J-36, a fifth-generation fighter, is designed to compete with the F-35, while the H-20 aims to provide long-range strike capabilities, allowing penetrative operations deep into enemy territory. China's military advancements necessitate a robust response from the U.S. The B-21 Raider is seen as a direct counter to these developments, leveraging improved sensor fusion and artificial intelligence to provide a crucial edge in contested environments. 3. Strategic implications. The introduction of the B-21 Raider is not merely a technological upgrade, it represents a critical strategic response to the rapid military advancements of China. Analysts highlight that the capabilities of the B-21, including its stealth range and versatility, will be vital for maintaining air superiority. The U.S. strategy focuses on modernization and technological innovation to ensure robust deterrence against emerging threats. Moreover, the B-21 is designed to operate in a highly contested environment, providing the U.S. with the ability to strike deep into enemy territory without relying on forward bases, which are increasingly vulnerable to long-range precision strikes from adversaries like China. 4. Hypersonic bomber projects. In addition to the B-21 Raider, reports indicate that a secretive DARPA office is developing a large hypersonic bomber prototype. This highlights the urgency of advancing U.S. capabilities in hypersonic technology, which is critical for future conflicts requiring rapid and agile air power. The focus on hypersonics reflects a broader understanding that air superiority will increasingly depend on speed and the ability to evade advanced enemy defenses. 5. Common themes and strategic necessity. Across various analyses, a recurring theme emerges: the urgent need for the U.S. to modernize its air fleet in response to Chinese advancements. The B-21 Raider is consistently emphasized as a critical asset for maintaining air dominance and strategic deterrence. Both the B-21 and upcoming hypersonic technologies signify a strategic leap that could alter the balance of power, particularly in the Indo-Pacific region. While some sources focus on the immediate threats posed by China, others consider the long-term strategic competition. Nevertheless, all agree that the B-21 Raider and hypersonic capabilities are essential components of a comprehensive strategy to ensure U.S. military superiority. Timeline of key events. December 2024, China unveils the J-36 fighter and H-20 bomber, marking a significant advancement in military aviation capabilities. January 2025, the U.S. Air Force advances the B-21 Raider program, conducting extensive testing and evaluations. February 2025, reports emerge of DARPA's hypersonic bomber prototype indicating a strategic pivot following the B-21 and NGAD initiatives. Conclusion: the development of hypersonic bombers and the introduction of the B-21 Raider are crucial for the U.S. military strategy to maintain air superiority and adapt to the changing dynamics of global military competition, particularly in response to China's escalating capabilities. As technological innovation continues to shape the battlefield, the next decade will be pivotal in defining the future of air power and the balance of military strength in the Indo-Pacific region and beyond. The content reveals several counterintuitive pieces of information regarding the strategic developments related to hypersonic bombers and air superiority. Here are the key counterintuitive insights. 1. Perception of air superiority. While the B-21 Raider is positioned as the cornerstone of U.S. air superiority, its development is primarily a reaction to China's military advancements rather than a proactive measure to enhance U.S. dominance. This indicates that the U.S. is in a position of catching up rather than leading in some aspects of military aviation technology, which is contrary to the traditional view of the U.S. as the undisputed leader in air power. 2. Technological edge versus urgency. Despite the U.S. historically maintaining a technological edge in military aviation, the rapid advancements of China's stealth aircraft signal that this gap is narrowing. The urgency expressed in the need for modernization indicates that the U.S. may not be as far ahead as previously believed, which challenges the perception of American military supremacy. 3. Dual-capable nature of the B-21. The B-21's ability to deliver both nuclear and conventional munitions is framed as a strategic advantage for deterrence. However, this dual capability may also be seen as a necessity born out of a diverse range of potential conflicts, suggesting a more reactive strategy to global threats rather than a purely deterrent posture. For a focus on hypersonic technology, the mention of DARPA's secretive hypersonic bomber project suggests an acknowledgement that future conflicts require faster and more agile responses. This contrasts with the historical reliance on traditional air power and indicates a paradigm shift in military strategy emphasizing adaptability over established methods. 5. Impact of emerging technologies. The emphasis on AI integration and advanced sensor fusion in the B-21 could suggest a reliance on technology that may not yet be fully proven in combat scenarios. This raises questions about the effectiveness of these technologies in real-world applications, contrary to the prevailing belief that technological superiority guarantees military success. 6. China's developments as a catalyst. The unveiling of China's J-36 and H-20 serves as a catalyst for U.S. military advancements, illustrating that U.S. strategy is often reactive rather than proactive. This counters the narrative that U.S. military innovations are primarily self-driven, highlighting instead an environment where adversarial advancements significantly influence U.S. military planning. 7. Long-range strike capabilities. The B-21's extended range is framed as a critical asset for power projection. Still, it also suggests that U.S. forces may increasingly rely on platforms capable of operating from greater distances, which could indicate vulnerabilities in forward-deployed bases that are susceptible to long-range threats. 8. Global stability versus regional competition. The narrative presents a duality where the U.S. aims to project global stability while simultaneously being involved in regional power competitions. This presents an ironic situation where efforts to stabilize may inadvertently escalate tensions, especially in the Indo-Pacific region. These insights illustrate a complex and evolving landscape of military strategy where traditional notions of dominance and superiority are being challenged by rapid advancements from potential adversaries, necessitating a re-evaluation of U.S. military planning and capabilities. The report on the development of hypersonic bombers, particularly focusing on the B-21 Raider and its implications for U.S. air superiority, contains several significant details that may be overlooked by many readers but are essential for understanding the broader strategic context and implications of military advancements. 1. Significance of the B-21 Raider's dual capability. While the report highlights the B-21 Raider's dual-capable nature, able to deliver both nuclear and conventional munitions, many may not fully appreciate the strategic importance of this versatility. In an era of great power competition, having a platform that can provide credible deterrence across multiple domains is crucial. This capability allows the U.S. to respond flexibly to various threats, from regional conflicts that might require conventional strikes to high-stakes scenarios where nuclear deterrence is necessary. The dual capability also complicates adversaries' strategic calculations, as they must account for a wider range of U.S. responses. 2. Technological innovations, sensor fusion and AI integration. The report mentions the advanced sensor fusion and artificial intelligence AI systems integrated into the B-21 Raider. However, the full implications of these technologies may be overlooked. Sensor fusion allows the aircraft to process vast amounts of data from various sources, improving situational awareness and operational effectiveness. AI integration enables adaptive responses to evolving battlefield conditions, enhancing mission success rates. These innovations signify a paradigm shift in air combat, where speed and information processing capabilities are as critical as firepower. The B-21 Raider, equipped with such technologies, is not just a bomber but a highly sophisticated system that can operate effectively in contested environments. 3. China's military modernization and its strategic implications. The report details China's advancements in military aviation, particularly with the introduction of the J-36 fighter and H-20 bomber. Readers might focus on these developments as mere competition indicators, but the significant strategic implications are profound. China's rapid military modernization challenges the traditional U.S. air dominance and could alter regional security dynamics. The introduction of advanced stealth platforms like the H-20 represents a direct threat to U.S. forces, as it can penetrate air defenses and threaten critical infrastructure and military bases in the Indo-Pacific. Understanding these dynamics is crucial for grasping the urgency behind U.S. modernization efforts. 4. The role of hypersonic technology. The report mentions DARPA's secretive Hypersonic Bomber project following the B-21 Raider. While hypersonic technology may seem like a futuristic concept, its real significance lies in the potential shift it represents in military strategy. Hypersonic weapons are characterized by their speed and maneuverability, making them exceedingly difficult to detect and intercept. The development of a hypersonic bomber could provide the U.S. with a critical edge in future conflicts, enabling rapid strikes against time-sensitive targets and complicating adversaries' defense strategies. This aspect of air power, speed, has historically been a decisive factor in combat, and hypersonics could redefine it once again. 5. Modular open system architecture. The modular open system architecture of the B-21 Raider is another essential detail that may not receive the attention it deserves. This design allows for continuous upgrades and the integration of emerging technologies, ensuring that the aircraft remains relevant against evolving threats. This adaptability is particularly crucial in the fast-paced domain of military technology, where obsolescence can occur rapidly. The ability to integrate new systems without extensive redesigns can significantly reduce costs and time associated with future upgrades, maintaining operational effectiveness without necessitating a complete overhaul of the fleet. 6. Geopolitical context, Indo-Pacific theater. While the report emphasizes the competition between the U.S. and China, many may overlook the broader geopolitical implications of these developments in the Indo-Pacific region. The U.S.'s efforts to maintain air superiority are not merely about military prowess, they are also about reassuring allies and deterring aggression in a region where China's assertiveness has been increasingly pronounced. The B-21 Raider's capabilities will not only serve U.S. interests but also bolster the defense posture of allies like Japan, South Korea, and Australia, contributing to a collective security framework essential for regional stability. 7. Countering integrated air defense systems. The report notes the B-21's ability to evade advanced air defense systems. However, the significance of this capability in the context of modern warfare is profound. As adversaries like China and Russia develop integrated air defense systems that combine radar missile systems and electronic warfare capabilities, the ability to penetrate these defenses becomes critical. The B-21 Raider's design focused on stealth and low observability provides a strategic advantage that could enable successful operations in heavily defended airspace, an essential factor in any future conflict scenario. Conclusion. The report on hypersonic bomber development and the B-21 Raider underscores a pivotal moment in U.S. military strategy, reflecting the urgent need to adapt to shifting global power dynamics, especially in relation to China's military advancements. By recognizing the significance of technological innovations, the strategic implications of dual-capable platforms, and the importance of maintaining air superiority, readers can gain a deeper understanding of the critical role these developments will play in shaping future military engagements and the broader geopolitical landscape. The interplay of technology and strategy will define the next decade of air power, highlighting the necessity for ongoing modernization and innovation in U.S. defense capabilities. 1. The B-21 Raider as a strategic asset. The B-21 Raider is positioned as the centerpiece of the U.S. Air Force's long-range strike capabilities, designed to replace older bombers and maintain air superiority. Its advanced stealth technology allows it to evade sophisticated enemy air defenses, crucial for penetrating contested environments, particularly against adversaries like China and Russia. The B-21's dual-capable nature for nuclear and conventional missions enhances the U.S.'s deterrent posture, emphasizing the importance of technological superiority in modern warfare. 2. China's military advancements. The rapid development of China's next-generation stealth aircraft, including the J-36 fighter and H-20 bomber, poses a significant challenge to U.S. air dominance. These advancements signal China's ambitions to enhance its military capabilities, potentially altering the balance of power in the Indo-Pacific region. The emergence of these aircraft underscores the urgency for the U.S. to modernize its own fleet and develop cutting-edge technologies to counter these threats effectively. 3. Technological innovation and strategic necessity. The B-21 Raider and emerging hypersonic technologies represent a crucial leap in U.S. air power capabilities, driven by the need to respond to evolving global military dynamics. The integration of artificial intelligence, advanced sensor fusion, and a modular design allows for continuous upgrades and adaptation to new threats. This focus on modernization reflects a strategic necessity for the U.S. to maintain its military edge and address the complexities of contemporary warfare. For geopolitical implications and future of air superiority, the introduction of the B-21 Raider and the ongoing development of hypersonic bomber prototypes underline the strategic pivot in U.S. military planning towards maintaining air superiority in an increasingly contested global environment. The interplay between U.S. advancements and China's military modernization will significantly influence geopolitical dynamics. As tensions rise, the U.S. must leverage its technological expertise and strategic alliances to ensure its air dominance and deter potential adversaries effectively. 1. Development of the B-29 Superfortress. World War II. The B-29 Superfortress was a revolutionary bomber developed by Boeing during World War II. It featured advanced technologies for its time, including a pressurized cabin, remote-controlled gun turrets, and a high-altitude operational capability. The B-29 was instrumental in the strategic bombing campaign against Japan, particularly in the firebombing of cities and the dropping of atomic bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Its development, like the B-21 Raider, reflected a significant leap in air power capabilities and was pivotal in reshaping air superiority during the conflict. 2. Introduction of the F-117 Nighthawk. Cold War. The F-117 Nighthawk, developed by Lockheed Martin, was the first operational aircraft designed around stealth technology. Introduced in the 1980s, it played a critical role during the Gulf War, where it successfully carried out precision bombing missions without detection, showcasing the effectiveness of stealth in modern combat. The F-117's emphasis on evading advanced radar systems parallels the objectives of the B-21 Raider, which aims to penetrate sophisticated enemy air defenses. 3. Soviet development of the Tu-160 Blackjack. Cold War. The Tu-160, known as the Blackjack, is a supersonic variable sweep-wing heavy strategic bomber developed by the Soviet Union. First introduced in the 1980s, it was designed to carry nuclear and conventional weapons over long distances. The Tu-160's advanced capabilities and speed posed a significant challenge to Western airpower, similar to how the B-21 Raider is expected to respond to emerging threats from China's military advancements. The ongoing modernization and upgrades of the Tu-160 also reflect the continuous arms race in strategic bomber capabilities during the Cold War, akin to current developments in hypersonic bomber technology. The future of air superiority is on the brink of transformation, driven primarily by advancements in hypersonic bomber technology and the development of next-generation platforms like the B-21 Raider. As military competition intensifies, particularly with China, the U.S. Air Force is poised to enter a new era where speed, stealth, and advanced capabilities will redefine warfare dynamics. 1. Hypersonic bomber development. The U.S. is actively pursuing hypersonic bomber technologies, with recent reports indicating that DARPA is working on a large hypersonic bomber prototype. This reflects an urgent response to evolving threats, particularly from adversaries like China that are rapidly advancing their military capabilities. The development of hypersonic platforms will enable the U.S. to achieve faster strike capabilities and enhanced survivability in heavily defended airspace. 2. B-21 Raider, the core of future air power. The B-21 Raider is set to become the backbone of U.S. long-range strike operations. With an initial order of 100 aircraft, it is designed to replace older bombers while incorporating cutting-edge stealth and sensor fusion technologies. The Raider's ability to evade advanced enemy air defense systems will be crucial in maintaining U.S. air dominance, especially in the Indo-Pacific region where China's military advancements pose significant challenges. 3. Strategic implications of Chinese advancements. China's unveiling of next-generation stealth platforms such as the J-36 fighter and H-20 strategic bomber marks a significant shift in military capabilities. These developments indicate China's ambition to challenge U.S. air superiority, necessitating a robust response from the U.S. military. The B-21 Raider's capabilities, including its dual capacity for nuclear and conventional missions, will enhance U.S. deterrence strategies and reassure allies in the face of growing threats from Beijing. 4. Technological integration and artificial intelligence. As air combat becomes increasingly complex, the integration of artificial intelligence and advanced sensor systems will be critical. The B-21 Raider's design prioritizes these technologies, allowing for autonomous operations and adaptability in dynamic combat environments. This will enable U.S. forces to maintain a technological edge over adversaries, effectively countering China's focus on integrated air defense systems and AI-assisted warfare. 5. Future of air combat, a multi-domain approach. The future landscape of air combat will involve a multi-domain approach integrating air, land, sea, space, and cyber capabilities. The U.S. must prioritize investments in unmanned combat aerial vehicles, UCAVs, hypersonic weapons, and electronic warfare systems to complement the B-21 and ensure a comprehensive defense capability. Collaboration with allied nations will also play a crucial role in maintaining collective security and deterrence in contested regions. 6. Geopolitical landscape shifts. The ongoing developments in hypersonic technology and advanced bomber capabilities will significantly influence global military dynamics. The U.S. must remain vigilant and proactive in its defense strategy, countering not only immediate threats but also addressing long-term strategic competition with China and other potential adversaries. The race for air superiority will define the next decade, and the outcomes will shape international relations and security architectures. 7. Conclusion: a new era of air superiority. As the U.S. military enters this new era of air superiority, the B-21 Raider and emerging hypersonic technologies will be pivotal in maintaining a strategic edge. The interplay of advanced capabilities, geopolitical tensions, and technological innovation will define the future of air combat. The U.S. must continue to invest in modernization, embrace new technologies, and enhance partnerships to navigate the complexities of an evolving global security landscape. The decisions made today will reverberate for years to come, influencing the balance of power and the nature of warfare in the 21st century.